Chapter 10, Internet Services. In this chapter, you will learn about email, video conferencing, chatting online, online groups, forums, voice over IP, VoIP. The Internet can be used for communication, finding information, for playing games, watching movies, etc. We can communicate over the Internet by using the following features. 1. Electronic mails, email. 2. Social websites like Facebook, Twitter. 3. Voice over IP, VoIP. 4. Forums. 5. Video conferencing. 6. Chatting using Yahoo Messenger, Facebook Messenger, etc. Email, electronic mails. Rapid advancement in technology has led to development of new ideas and new ways of communication. Earlier, people used to communicate through postal letters that usually took many days to reach their destination, so the communication was somewhat slow and even expensive. But now people communicate using the Internet through emails. Using emails, we can send and receive messages within a fraction of a second. By using emails, we can send personal as well as work-related messages and also send files like music files, video files, and important documents. With the introduction of emails, communication is happening at an increased speed and is also less expensive. Do you know, for privacy purpose, you should not share your password with anyone and should also change your password on a regular basis. Requirements for sending an email. If you want to access the email service over the Internet, you should have the following things. 1. You must be connected to the Internet if you wish to send and receive emails. It is the primary and most important requirement for sending and receiving emails. 2. The second requirement is that of having an email account. For sending and receiving emails, you should have an email ID. This email ID will work as your mail address. All your emails will be sent and received on this email address. Your email address will look like the one shown below. sachinkumar@gmail.com. In the email ID above, Sachin Kumar refers to the name of your account and gmail.com refers to the host on which you have your email account. Creating an email account. A person can have more than one email account and there is no restriction on the number of email addresses a person can have, but no two email IDs can be the same. You can create your email account free of cost on some of the websites that are given below. These websites offer you free services and do not charge anything from you. www.yahoo.com, www.gmail.com, www.hotmail.com, www.rediffmail.com. In the steps below, we will learn how to create an email ID with www.gmail.com. You can create an email account on any of the given websites in a similar manner. Follow the steps given below for making your email account. Step 1. The first step for creating an email account is to connect to the Internet. For accessing the website and creating your email account, having an Internet connection is necessary. If you are facing some connectivity issues, check the network settings of your computer. Step 2. Now open your web browser. There is no particular browser required. You can use any web browser like Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Google Chrome. Now open any web browser that you have on your computer. Step 3. For creating your email address, type the name of the website on which you want to have your email account. In this section, we will learn how to create an email account with www.gmail.com, so type the URL of the website in the address bar of your browser. Step 4. You will see that there are two options. A. Using the first option, you can log in into your existing account. B. Using the second option, you can create your new account. Step 5. For creating a new account, click on the Create an Account button and you will be redirected to the Create Account page. Now you will have to fill a form with your details to create an email account. The following information is needed for filling the form. A. First, you need to fill your first name followed by the last name in the two text boxes against the name option. Choose a username and type it in the text box that directs you to enter your username. This username will be a part of your email address. The username is the name that comes before @gmail.com. Example, crick, ESDST, @gmail.com. You can also include numbers along with alphabets. If you type Anjali 93 in the username option, then your email ID will become Anjali93 @gmail.com. B. Create a password. In this text box, enter the password that you will use to log in to your email account, and your password should be a combination of alphabets and numbers. You should remember this password and also not share it with anyone. C. Confirm password. You have to re-enter the same password in order to make sure that you remember the password that you have entered in the previous field. D. Mobile number. Enter your mobile number in this field. E. Birthday. In this field, enter your date of birth in the month, date, year format. F. Gender. In this field, select your gender from the drop-down menu. G. Mobile number. Enter your 10-digit mobile number in this text box. H. Alternate email. Type any alternate email ID. If you don't have one, simply ignore this. After filling all these details, click on the Create Account button to successfully create your email ID. Do you know the father of emails is V.A. Shiva Ayyadurai? Log in into your email account. To log in into your email account, follow the steps given below. Step 1. In your web browser's address bar, type the address of the website on which you have your email account. For example, type www.gmail.com. Step 2. In the username field, type your username, and in the password field, type your password and click on Sign In. If your email ID and password are correct, you will be successfully logged in to your email account. A new web page will open up that will have a new web page will open up that will have all your emails. Just click on an email to open it. On the left side, there is a list of all the folders that are present in your email account. You can switch between different folders to see emails in them. Inbox. The inbox is similar to the mailbox present in your house. All the email messages are put into your inbox by the Gmail in the same way as your postman puts mail in your mailbox. The inbox folder is used for storing all your emails. The following functions can be performed on the email message in your inbox. A. Read the email. For reading an email, all you need is to just click on it. B. Replying to an email message. When you click the reply button, you can send an email reply back to the sender of the message. C. Moving emails between different folders. You can move emails between different folders. For moving an email, select it and then click on the Move button. Now click on the folder in which you want to place that email. D. Deleting an email. For deleting an email, just select the email and click the Delete button. Composing new email message. For composing a new email message, click on the Compose button on the left pane. The Compose message window will open up. The various fields in the window are A. 2. You need to enter the email address of the people to whom you wish to send your email. You can type multiple email addresses separated by a colon. B. CC, carbon copy. For sending a carbon copy of a message to a different person, we type their email address in this field. All the recipients of the message will be able to see to whom all the message is sent. C. BCC, blind carbon copy. The difference of BCC from CC is that no recipient will know to whom all others the same email message is sent if their addresses are typed in BCC. D. Subject. The subject contains the title of the email. Type what the email is about. If the email is urgent, then you can type urgent in the subject box. E. Content area. The actual message that has to be conveyed to the user is typed in the content area. F. Attachments. You can also send documents, video clips and music clips through emails. This is done using the attachments option. G. Send. When you have finished composing your email message, click on the Send button to send your message. Others. There are several other folders present in your email account. These are A. Draft. This folder contains all the emails that were composed by you which have not yet been sent. B. Spam. Spam refers to all the emails that have been sent to you with a wrong intention. Spam mails are also known as junk mails and are stored in the spam folder. C. Contacts. The Contact tab contains all the contacts to whom you send emails or from whom you receive emails. D. Calendar. In the calendars, you can set some important reminders. Signing out. To sign out from your email account, A. Click on the same triangle in the top right corner. B. Now click on the Sign Out option. You have successfully signed out from your email account. Chatting. The most amazing feature of the internet is that it connects people all across the globe. We can make new friends, remain in touch with them, and exchange ideas with them over emails and through chatting. The process that allows users to interact online over the internet is called chatting. There are 3 different types of chat. A. Text chat. B. Voice chat. C. Video chat. The most common ways of chatting over the internet are discussed below. Chat rooms. A list of names along with a box to type a message in are displayed in the chat room. When a user types a message, it is visible to all the users in that room. We can also use a provision that allows us to communicate with other users privately. These messages will only be displayed to the users who are chatting privately. We can also use various emoticons to express our feelings. These are small icons that can be used for expressing human expressions. The use of emoticons also makes chatting fun and real. Fact time. Chatting is harmful for health. One should limit one's time spent on chatting. Messenger. We can use another tool for communicating with people over the internet called Messenger. For chatting with people using a messenger, we should have their email address. There is an address list in the messenger which has the names and the user IDs of our friends and family members. Every time you log in to your account, you will see all their names. Yahoo, Hotmail, MSN, and Google Talk are some most commonly used messengers. In the messenger, online friends and the friends that are offline are displayed. Long chatting should be avoided as it can harm our eyes and also stress our brains. Video conferencing. The internet provides an amazing feature that allows users to communicate by seeing each other even while sitting in different countries. All you need to have is a web camera. Skype is the most commonly used video conferencing software using which people can see each other. Three important requirements for having a video conference are A. Microphone, B. Web camera, C. Speakers. Many business organizations use video conferencing feature to organize business meetings with their clients across the globe to save time and travel expenses. Forums. We can also place questions or comments over the internet and get other people to answer them. This is done with the help of forums. Bulletin boards, discussion groups are some common names that are given to forums. We can use different software for creating forums on the internet. Online groups. The internet can be used for communicating using emails, instant messages, video conferencing, etc. Using internet groups, we can do all these things at one place and create a shared place where we can exchange messages, pictures, chat, and also schedule our meetings. For making our group online over the internet, we can use Window Live Groups. By using Window Live Groups, Google Groups, and Yahoo Groups, we can find people of similar interest to that of ours and can make new contacts by posting messages and links on any group's home page. Voice over IP. Using Voice over IP or VoIP, we can communicate over the internet with our voice in the same way in which we communicate using our mobile phones. Many business organizations use VoIP instead of telephone lines nowadays. Skype is the most commonly used application for VoIP. Using the Skype application, we can send instant messages, make voice calls and video calls to other people who also have a Skype account. The Skype program is also free of cost. Summary: emails are a faster way of communication and are also not expensive. There is no restriction on the number of email IDs a person can have. Spam mails are also known as junk mails. The BCC feature of the email allows us to send messages to many people at a time. No recipient will be able to see who the other recipients are. Long chatting can be harmful for our health. Online discussions take place in forums over the internet.